Hey guys, as you can see, this mobile is S6 Plus. You can see here this mobile has problem FRP verifying your Google account. You can see here. So now I am going to remove this FRP Google account. I am going to insert this SIM. You can see here you have to insert any SIM in this mobile. Insert any SIM in mobile, you can see here, and then you have to go back. So guys, bring another mobile. You can see here, bring any mobile and download this application. After that you have to submit SIM number. You can see here 017. As you send command, you can see here, and start it. You can see here, and okay, YouTube is open now. You can see here, and you have to click on not now. After that you have to search Google. Guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest video. You can see here Google account. After that you have to click on three dots. You can see here, and you terms and condition, accept, next, no thanks. You can see here. After you have to search frpfile.com. When you input this link, after you have to search button, search go button. You can see here, and then guys you have to download Google Account Manager. You can see here Google Account Manager 8th version, and continue it. Hello, and okay. After you have to download bypass FRP file, and okay. So now you have to click on three dot and go in download tabs. There are two applications are downloaded. You can see here, and install Google Account Manager. You can see here Google Account Manager install. After you have to click on done, and next you have to install bypass FRP. After you have to open this and click on three dot. You can see here after browse sign in. Okay, so now you have to enter your email, any you have to create already. When you input your Gmail, after you have to next click and input your password. After you have to sign in, you have sign in complete. You can see here, and now you have to restart your mobile. Press the power button. You can see here, and press power icon. Guys, if you like my videos, then subscribe my channel for the latest videos. You can get any problem on my channel. Do it. It is restarting now. Starting Android. You can see here. So now hi there, you have to click on start button. Next, and agree. You can see here checking for update. Don't restore, just a second. You can see here no tick mark, no thank you, and escape anyway. More, and agree, checking, escape. Okay, scroll down. Okay, adding the finishing touches. Next, escape. So guys, the FRP is removed now. This mobile, you can see here, and setup is completed now. If you like my videos, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest videos. So now I am going to next videos. Bye, big back later. See you next.